Patios Plus sold an outdoor lighting set for $119.95. The markup on the set was $23.99. So we need to find A, the cost, B, the markup percent on cost, and C, the selling price as a percent of cost. In looking at our problem, we immediately see that percent on cost and percent of cost tells us that this is a markup on cost problem. So let's put up our little diagram, and the first thing we want to fill in is the percent of cost tells us that the cost is 100%. We also see that Patios Plus sold the lighting set, so the $119.95 goes next to the S, or the sales, in our diagram. We then see that the markup is $23.99, so we fill that in. So now that we have the sales price and the markup price, we can determine what the cost is. The sales minus the markup is going to be our cost. So we know that the cost of this outdoor lighting set was $95.96, which happens to be our base because it's 100%. But we'll see that in a moment. So now, what question can we ask? We want to find out what the markup percentage is, so we can ask the question of $23.99 is what percent of $95.96? We can see from this question that $23.99 is our part. We don't know what the rate is, that's what we're trying to figure out. And $95.96 is our base. And we know that the rate is equal to the part divided by the base, so we get $23.99 divided by $95.96, that equals 0.25. But since we're looking for a rate, we need to convert that to a percentage, and we get 25%. So now we can restate that question into a statement, and we can say that $23.99 is 25% of $95.96. Let's go ahead and fill in 25% next to the markup, because now we know that that's 25%. Now looking at this, we can see that 100 plus the 25% gives us our total sales percentage of 125%. And now we have all 6 elements filled in. So the answers are: A, the cost is $95.96. B, the markup percent on cost is 25%. And C, the selling price as a percent of cost is 125%.